This is the Battery Par Pack 6RF. Available in two color options of black or white, this full package comes with 8 extremely bright Battery Par 6RF wash lights, an extremely durable rolling flight case that has a charging strip inside to charge all of the lights, and then all the included accessories like 8 long distance RF remotes and charging cables for your lights. On the front of the flight case we have 2 butterfly locks where you can also run a small padlock through if you want to lock your case fully. There are also 2 carry handles on each side, so transporting with another person is very easy to do. The case itself is very durable and made from aluminum and plywood, so it can take a beating and still protect your lights. We actually filmed the drop test for this package, so let's go check that out now.
What's up guys? So we just wanted to do a drop test real quick to show you how durable this case really is. So as you can see, I have all 8 of my lights powered on here. And let's just say you're at your gig or event and one thing leads to another, trying to take your case out, but you got a weird handle and oh no! Your case drops. But not to worry, because this thing is a beast of a case. So if we flip it over, you see there's barely a scratch on it. And if we open up the case to check on our lights, you'll see they're all still on, working great, like nothing ever happened. You won't get in trouble from your tour manager. Everything will just be fine. And your show and your lights will be good to go.
On the top of the case you'll notice these 4 grooves, and that's because the case is stackable, so you can easily transport 1 or 2 or 3 of these cases all at the same time. On top of that, all 4 of the wheels swivel for increased maneuverability around corners and tight hallways, and 2 of the wheels lock so it'll stay in place while you are charging or getting set up. Inside the case are 8 Battery Par 6RF par lights, RF remotes to control all 8 of the lights, and then on the side of each light there's the charging cable to charge the lights in the case. Over here we have the charging cable that plugs out of the case and into the wall so we can charge all of the lights. And running through the middle of the case is the power strip, which is where each light will plug into to charge. Now you'll notice each of the 8 slots have high density shockproof foam to keep the lights nice and protected in their slots. And the top lid of the case is also padded, which keeps the tops of the lights nice and protected during transport. Let's set up all the lights for charging. So each light has its own charging cable, so what you'll want to do is take your light and take the charging cable, plug this end into the light, and then take the male end and run it straight into the power strip. Do this for all 8 of the lights. After you have all of the 8 lights plugged into the power strip, you're going to take the case charger, plug it right into this slot over here, and then take the male end and plug it into the wall. The last step is to just turn it on, and you'll notice each of these lights charging LED indicators come on. Now this is super important to note. The Battery Par 6RFs have some of the biggest batteries on the market. They're 5,000 mAh batteries, which means you need to keep this top lid open when you are charging so the lights get proper ventilation. On top of having great battery life with 15 hours for a single color, the Battery Par 6RFs are RGBWA+UV lights, where the included RF remote gives you a lot of control over the functionalities like different colors and different modes like auto, fade, sound, and strobe mode, all from a max distance of 100 feet. And because the brackets on these lights are adjustable, you have multiple different angles you can point the light at to wash a wall or to use them to hang it from a truss. You can also use them on the inside of a totem or to illuminate a DJ facade. These lights also feature wireless DMX and complete wireless linking to each other in master-slave mode. This allows you to daisy chain all the lights together wirelessly and control them off a single RF remote. Or you can even set up half of them to be one group and the other half to be a different group, and then control the 2 groups differently from one remote. So the Battery Par Pack 6RF Black and White are great systems for transporting and charging efficiently the Battery Par 6RFs that come preloaded inside of them. So whether you are a DJ or you have an entertainment company, or you just are looking for an all-in-one package that has 8 rechargeable RF par wash lights and a charging case to charge them, look no further than the Battery Par Pack 6RF Black and White from Rockville.